well, you folks are getting very smart on the music and its history and everything about it and the background stories behind it. This particular song was written by the Beatles, released by the Beatles. It's the flip side of Paperback Writer. It's called Rain, written mostly by Lennon. And he wrote it in reference to people always complaining about the weather, kind of like New England. No matter if it's too hot, too sunny, too rainy, too cloudy, whatever. But anyway, the first song, remember 1966, the Beatles were starting to experiment with different types of tracks, reverse tracks, tracks being laid upon one another. And this one, they used a reverse backing vocals on it as well. So they had no Indian ethnic related instruments on it, but it had a droning bass sound on it. It's like... Remember that sound? It had that, Bob McCartney was playing that droning bass sound, which really gave this song some deep feeling and really good. So anyway, with all that, here is the Beatles Rain. The weather's fine.